Then friends, today we have the newspaper of 14 May 2025. I start with the first news, that is mediation, Kashmir and trade. Delhi reverts Trump claim point by point. Public trust in judiciary is earned, not commanded. Chief Justice Khanna at farewell. Who have helped if we knew, say kin would have helped if we knew, say kin and friends. At heart of Delhi, a show of tricolor and solidarity with armed forces. Haryana Women Panel summons Asoka University professor for remark on Operation Sindoor women officers. 95% Delhi student clear class 12th. PWD plan to build 21 new foot or bridge. Not flawless, SC remove point-based system for senior advocate designations. Monsoon reach South Bay of Bengal, Nicobar Island, IMD. Security forces gun down 3 terrorists in Sofia. They died within minutes of each other. Punch family remembers twin killed in Pakistan selling. Congress government didn't conduct caste census and couldn't deal with terror. BJP doing both. DGMO likely to exchange de-escalation plan today. 2019 Punch sexually assaulted, all 9 accused get jailed for life. AICTC bets for 50% hike in scholarship to counter decline MTech enrollment. PG students getting scholarship drop from 11,926 in 2018-19 to 5,176 in 2022 and 23. Mundra Port Drug Hall SC dismiss bail plea of accused. Life sentence for Kerala man who claim astral projections lead him to kill family. 3-week anti-mast operation in Chhattisgarh and with 31 dead, 11 yet to be identified. Ruchi killed 21 in Amritsar. Supplier among 10 held. DSP SHO suspended. ChatGPT how to take on BJP. Congress turns to AI for comeback in MP. Hero of Nations. Manipur pay tribute to the BSF constables. Goa temple stampede that killed 6 result of lapses probe panel. Why does Saudi Arabia want a civil nuclear deal with the US? India Air Defense Shield. IF Integrated Air Command and Control Systems is an automated combat and control system that integrated data from all air defense assets to detect, identify, intercept and destroy hostile intruder. PM Siri, why Kerala will take center to Supreme Court. Operation Sindoor briefing, reading between line of Rasmir 3, Ramcharitmanas. A new old conflict, much in the Indo-Pacific confrontations drew on the past, much representations a break with history. Operation Sindoor, red line. PM Modi struck resonant chords on peace and security. The challenge is to build on the success of new normal. Backsliding in Dhaka. Interim government decisions to invoke an anti-terror law to suspend all activities of Awami League's disquieting. Wise Guy. Cannes Lifetime Achievement Honor for Robert De Niro celebrates cinema as a collaborative art form. A no-compromise doctrine. Operation Sindoor saw a swift yet calibrated response to terrorism. Challenges beyond Pakistan. The world outside the neighborhood demand greater Indian attention. Simplistic narratives are of little use during a time of flex marked by Trump's deal, deal making and shifting partnership. Vigilance more than before to secure ourselves against terror. A deeper study of Pahalgam attack, especially emergency of network believed to be have been detained and needed. On one day of Gulf tour, Trump secured 6 billion Saudi investment pledge. Zelensky said Putin scared to meet him. Will attend Istanbul talk only if he comes. French actors convicted of sexual assault on film set. Netanyahu, no way Israel will halt war until Hamas defeat. Russia responsible for MH17 drowning, Global Aviation Agency Council. Carney unveiled cabinet aimed at urgently resettling US-Canada ties. Women majority jury, Kilch, Glamour and Politics 78 Cannes Film Fest Oaks. Retail inflation rates eased to near 6-year low of 3.6% in April. India only reserves right to retaliatory duty on US goods. Finance Minister to review probability of PSB bad loan recovery. BlackRock Finns see trillions of dollars ideal versus volatility pursue. Yes Bank deal. Will Japan Sumito get more control in management? Higher stake. Sensex plays 1.5% Nifty and below 24,600. Gill likely to become to the fourth. If Rahul open, the prospective captain might slide to number 4 unless India took at Nair or Sarfraz for the spot against England. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.